Sounds of the South will wrap up this weekend with the final show of the summer concert series. We have Mary Allie Abear joining us now with more information on the show. Mary Allie, thanks for joining us today.
Hi, Lydia. Good afternoon. Thanks for having me.
So exciting. The final, well, it's a kind of bittersweet, the final concert in the series, but you guys are finishing out the concert series with a bang. You have two performers this Saturday. Tell us about our two bands.
Yeah, so we're super excited. This weekend, this Saturday, is our last concert or concerts for Sounds of the South. We'll have Bad Bongo, which is a local group, up and coming, super fun. And then we're getting funky with Big Sam's Funky Nation, which is a high energy, really fun band from New Orleans. And we're just going to have a good time. We have tons of food trucks if you're interested in that. We have a bar. We're even selling popsicles, so it'll be a good time for everyone in the family. It's a free event. We also have free shuttles from Cajun Field. Okay. And if you'd like to donate to the park, we do have a $20 on-site parking fundraiser.
Fantastic. So we can also attend this free concert, but if we choose to park at the park, we can help support Muncus Park in that way.
Absolutely. So for our events, including parking and beverage sales, all of those things directly support the park. So if you want to come on down, support the park, have a good time, bring the friends, you can do that this Saturday.
Now, teachers and kids, they just recently got out of school. You guys are doing something a little bit special for our local teachers. What can they look forward to this weekend?
Yeah, so we're actually going to have a special tent. We've partnered with Love Our Schools, and so teachers will receive a couple of treats. So come on down to the concert. All of our LPSS teachers, show your teacher badge, and we'll be there. You'll have a cool spot to relax and get some shade and have a little special something.
And they deserve it. What a nice little way to treat our educators, because
Absolutely.
It couldn't be me. I could never do that, but somebody has to do it. So if you are a teacher, make sure you bring that ID and stop by the Love Our Schools tent at Muncus Park this weekend. And speaking of all the fun things happening at Muncus Park, this might be the last of the concert series, but we have so much more to look forward to this summer. Can you give us any sneak peeks of things that'll be happening at the park?
Absolutely. So we actually just released our schedule for summer this morning. So you can go to our website. You can follow us on social media. However you want it, you can check out klfy.com. We have released a schedule that is full of wellness programs, including yoga, kids exercise. We also are celebrating International Day of Yoga on June 21st. And I think the most anticipated is our National Food Truck Day, where we will have 14 food trucks from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. with some entertainment, a bar, just a super fun time for all ages.
Okay, I'm looking forward to that one. When is that? Do you know off the top of your head?
That is June 30th.
June 30th.
Yes.
Okay, National Food Truck Day. And I know the Food Truck Fridays, those have been a pretty big hit, haven't they?
Those are very successful. So we see a couple of hundred people every single Friday. And so we want to just kind of extend that fun, and we're going to push it all the way till 8 p.m. in honor of National Food Truck Day.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So exciting. And 14 food trucks. I mean, that's got to be a huge variety. I'm sure you can get whatever you can imagine under the sun at Muncus Park, again, June 30th. But don't forget, this weekend, Sounds of the South, the last concert, there will be two bands performing. The music will begin at 6:15 p.m. And to stay up to date, make sure you're following Muncus Park on all their social media pages, and you can visit muncuspark.org to see their schedules and different things like that.